wearing your mask for 8
A new
hours.
school year in a pandemic means unexpected priorities for parents.
And do you feel a lot of fresh air coming through?
Anna K. Brown's son, Anthony, goes to an older school in a neighborhood with a high number of cases of COVID-19. The building is stuffy, not all the windows open, and that worries her.
They're all wearing this mask, trying to breathe, and just that same air just being circulating in that classroom.
Airflow is an important factor in the spread of the coronavirus. Coughing sends thousands of droplets flying through the air, the most common way to infect others. But just talking or breathing can also release smaller particles, which can float indoors for several hours. The science about how much of a risk those particles pose is still being studied. Today in Ontario, a $50 million promise to finally upgrade school ventilation, even buy air purifiers.
This will give peace of mind that the air our children are breathing is safe and that these upgrades can commence immediately.
Ontario is one of the few provinces that has addressed ventilation systems in its back-to-school plans. Public health specialists warn that's an oversight.
Because of the reality that we won't have the luxuries as those in Vancouver to necessarily just open the door or window in the middle of the winter.
The federal government recommends at a minimum schools ensure the ventilation system operates properly, increase air exchanges, open windows when possible. Engineering specialists say even that may not be enough.
We have systematically neglected our heating, ventilating, and air conditioning or HVAC systems in many of our buildings, maybe especially in our schools, for a long, long time. And now all of a sudden we want to use them to help protect us.
For anxious parents like Anna K. Brown, that protection can't come soon enough. Vic Adopia, CBC News, Toronto.